Here are a few things to know about your new 50x40 clam press. Now these presses have a silicone mat that can sometimes stick to the element when you're opening it. This needs to be peeled off and put back on top of the foam mat, and keep these in for pressing at all times. Now you'll notice on this press it has a lot of play in the top plate. Now this is normal, and it's to disperse the pressures when you're pressing the clamp shut. Now if you're pressing anything that's rigid or brittle, it could break when the pressure is put on, because clam presses have a lot of pressure from the back. The play within the plate allows that pressure to disperse evenly when something like glass or ceramic is in the bottom of the press, and stops it from cracking. It also has an automatic timer, so there's no button on the side. When you close the clam shut, the timer will start, and if you open the clam again, the timer will stop. And that's everything you really need to know.